grabando, güey.
What we doing, bro?
Que nada más, güey. Put on take off a little. Oh, I have to put it on stop. Might put it on this one.
What you think, KB? Who's it for? Dang, Nando. What we doing, little Daniel?
Taking the lift kit off, you know?
Hell yeah. Why you ain't helping?
They don't want me, bro.
Tell her you gotta supervise.
Yeah, I have to be a manager, you know?
Yeah. We doing it right so far?
Yeah.
We getting paid right?
Uh-huh.
Hell yeah. What's it say? Tell him to pull up. We're gonna be fighting.
We're like 20 minutes.
What is that?
No contesta, $5.
He never answered that.
What you doing, Endo? No dices nada?
Leveling kit.
Leveling kit. Whose truck is this?
Daniels.
Oh my god, look, why you gotta lie? ¿Ya saliste del jale o qué?
Yeah.
Míralo. Hey, yeah, dile. Somebody gotta pay the bills, Flores quality, míralo. ¿Y Daniel qué hace?
Y como siempre, su pinche
Daniels el
maid.
chalán.
¿Ah?
Daniels el chalán.
Míralo. Él nada más me ve, yo trabajo.
No, yo le enseño que es otra cosa.
Ya me enseñaste, güey. Tienes que ayudarme.
Míralo, míralo. Ay, señor.
Míralo.
He said, let me get under it now, look.
You do all the clean work.
Yup.
Speed on it. Hey, show.
Look.
Hey, bro. This is what $800 look like.
Sheesh. Dang, KB. Guess you got it like that, huh? Gotta go to work,
Alright, we just dropped the cross members. O quítale las barras.
Quítale este, mira.
No quiero quitarlos.
¿O no?
No, quiero llevar así entero. Entonces nada más le quitamos la barra y los de arriba y drop that bitch.
Alright.
Más fácil, ¿no?
Oh, yeah.
Put a cap load it.
Oh.
This one.
Right, KB, you wanna undo the control arms?
What that?
Like take off the control arms? You gonna leave them
I
on?
didn't drop the whole thing, drop everything.
That's what I was alright, bet.
They work here, you gotta do so.
Hell yeah.
You get sway wire.
Yeah, we got to take these off first.
El mecánico irá.
24, baby.
Take them out de aquí.
Bueno, esto lo tenemos allá.
Y el shop manager.
Look at it. Shop.
Thanks to little Daniel for letting us use his shop. Look at him. ¿Cuánto vas a cobrar la hora?
20.
That's cheap. That's cheap. That's cheap. Ni para pagar el bill de la luz.
Oferta.
No, hombre. So what's your name?
My name is Daniel.
What's your name, Daniel?
My name Daniel.
So how this gonna work?
So, if y'all gonna talk about that, Daniel, call him Danielito.
Danielito, míralo.
Míralo, míralo,
Danielito, look.
Se pone sus poles.
Look, letting us use his shop.
My bad, bro.
Y el Daniel
You put it
son.
in the hole.
All black, you must be gothic. Daniel must be gothic, you went all black.
And you already know cook. No, it's because I was gonna work, and grease is black, so
¿Para sudar más?
can't really tell if I'm dirty.
Nah, es para sudar más, cook.
You knew that too, didn't you?
What?
Bitch.
It's 24.
That ain't no 24. Well, I grabbed the wrong one. Who gave me a 22?
Yo, slow sir.
Nando gave it to me. This why you can't trust your own nigga, bro.
He said it's over there. Dang, boy, that thing was wide over there. Can y'all tell it's a mud truck, you know? No cuidas nada, ni.
Bro, this is why it takes so long to put a lift on.
You lose the stuff.
Lose it after 10 seconds that you use it.
Dang. ¿Y el shop manager? ¿Dónde está, pues?
You put it over here.
That's it.
Yeah.
Tú lo pusiste ahí cuando lo cambiaste.
Nah, era el Daniel.
Ya.
No, hombre. ¿Cuánto costó hacer el shot, pues?
I don't know.
Unos millones. Mírala. Just supervising, boy.
Vamos a hacerlo primero, ¿no?
Yeah, like that.
Míralo. Slide, boy.
Look at me, bro. Look at me as you walk.
Levanta el frío.
Y'all need to drink more milk. Why y'all make it so weird?
We're doing alright. We're done. We just gotta hit this side up.
I feel you.
Alright, Nando, come on. Falta uno. Bro, ¿cómo ponerlo en los corrientes?
Ay. Sell it to me. How much? $20? Míralo. Oh, you Mexican. Hold on. Oh my God, mira el sidral. What else you gonna pull out of there? What's that for?
Negro, ¿quieres un agua? Dale, si no.
Otra. ¿Para qué quiero tantos?
Para la cruz.
Para la cruz.
Dáselo, Deño.
¿Ah?
Dáselo, Deño.
Here you go, Daniel.
I don't care.
Pero ábrelo luego.
I don't care.
Fernando dice que al rato va a tener su banda, mira. Ahí está la batería. Tócalo roto el shop manager. Enséñales pues.
Dale, compa, chale.
Puro corrido.
Un correo que dice.
Échale, Daniel.
Estamos aquí en el shop.
Qué vida, what the hell.
Cheers with amigos.
¿Qué espera, pues?
El Daniel no sabe armarme.
Espera, pasos.
Enséñales pues. Puras cosas de Dios, ¿para qué?
Ya sabes dónde vas a ir, ¿verdad?
¿Dónde? ¿A dónde? Oh, shit. ¿Para dónde vas a ir, Fernando? ¿Estás salvado o no?
Dale, Deño.
¿Y ahora va a repelar la yarda o qué?
Somos yarderos, somos tambores.
Somos yarderos. Dale, Daniel. Mira.
¿Para qué no escucha, pues?
A ver, pues, un corridito tumbado, pues.
¿Cómo van a entender?
La montaña somos grandes.
Oh, shit.
You know where you going, bro.
You know exactly where you going.
Free pass.
Express lane. Dang, you far, bro. Mira. Hey, bro, make me a corrido for my next roller, bro.
I ain't got my bass drum.
He working on it.
Hit that bit.
I got you. Oh, it don't work. Look.
I want you to hit that bit.
Oh! Ahí va, pues. I got you.
What we doing?
Lo que sea. Just do. I'll follow you.
Alright, go.
A ver, vamos, pues. Play that bit, bro. Por el shot. Mira, ay, ay, ay. Para el shot. Another day. Another check.
Another 20.
Alright, shot man.
Alright, bro.
Appreciate it. I'll pay you next time because I'm broke.
Alright, bro.
I'm broke, bro.
But I'll let it slide this time, you know?
Yeah, I got you, dog. Appreciate that, dog.
Quedar rápido, si no.
What?
Me queda agarrar la mano.
Bueno, okay, bro.
Recoge este tiradero.
That man got everything, bro. Y'all ever need something, bro? Hit up Nando, bro. He even got fuses in it. I'm telling you, bro. Look at that. Bet y'all don't know what this
What
is.
is that? Is that a heater hose?
It's one of the things. Put it on your mouth. You put good stuff in there. If you get shot, don't say nothing.
That's the part you see it. Space.